NASDAQ this week has jumping all around, and we can see the week started with this candle where we can see that the price has gone down first, then go up, then go down, up and down, up and down. So it is pretty volatile market this week, and it was not very easy to make any of the trades. From my side, I have not made any conclusions. Any kind of a technical breakout was not detected because of the strong movements on the market, where if I have traded, the stop loss would be triggered very easily. Now if I go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the price did not behave and follow any of these support and resistance levels, so have stayed outside of the market and look for another opportunities. Now for the weekly time frame, we can see the week has closed as a pretty large bullish candle, and we can see the week started with a pretty large gap, and we can see the price ended the week before here, started the week here, so the gap has been closed immediately at the same day. Now the weekly time frame shows me that we have bullish candle where the price is currently above 18313.39, which is a very important support level. Now for the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. It was a bearish candle, continued to lose its value. Now the price is returning back up. So how the price will behave until the rest of the month, it is very hard to predict anything because of the high volatility of the market. So for now, I'm staying outside to see how the price will behave until the market comes down, to see which levels the price will follow and respect. Now for the weekly time frame, this is suggesting further rise in value, but we will see how the week will start. For the daily time frame, we can see that the price is jumping up and down, so it is pretty hard to make any conclusions. So for now, I'm not making any conclusions where the price could go because of the high volatility, and staying outside. Until the next week, see you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.